Hi everyone, if you know me, then you know that I love a quick and simple recipe that's going to be an absolute crowd pleaser. Today I have got some stunning black cod misshapes that I'm doing in a tandoori mixture with a fabulous chutney. So here on my counter today I have chili powder, ground turmeric, ground cumin, ground cinnamon and some fennel seeds. For my tomato and onion salad, I've got some beautiful plump fresh tomatoes and one white onion. And then I'm going to make a little bit of a nice chutney with some mint, some coriander, garlic, ginger, chillies, sugar and some lemon and lime. So here is our lovely black cod misshapes, all ready to go and to thread onto these skewers. But first let's move on to the marinade. So in here I have got some Greek style yogurt, and with my mixture I'm going to add 3 big heaps of it. Now you can just mix it all in, and with eye you can determine if you want to go a little bit more or a little bit less, depending on how much you enjoy the spice. So marinade done, you want to pop that in the fridge for about an hour before you start threading them onto the skewers, just to give them enough time to infuse in those beautiful flavours. Right, onto the fun bit. These are just small little thin green chillies. You are most welcome to de-seed them, but they're not overly spicy. It depends how you like your heat. For a chutney, we love heat here at the Fish Society. And that's what I call a 30-minute success. Tandoori marinated black cod misshapes, a little tomato and onion salad, a beautiful fragrant chutney, and a couple of cheeky naans. I hope you enjoy it at home, everyone.